To Cryptopip. Just wanted to talk to you again in relation to the bear market, really. I wouldn't say bear market. This is, I mean, before I got caught up with the miners, and I'm still in quite a few miners because once you put your money in, you can't take your money out, blah, 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 blah. But one of the things that initially got me very excited with crypto, and sometimes when you're in the bear market, it's good to go back to the basics and go to quite conservative methods of making um, money, basically making crypto. Is going to start to earn crypto for free, i.e., staking. So what you can do, this is one of the platforms that I use, is Biswap. Their native token. Is obviously down at the moment along with everything else. But what you can do on here is for any using Biswap, any trades or any fees that you do, is one of the cheapest dexes on the Binance Smart Chain in order to exchange crypto. Because once you exchange here, um, let that just load for you. Bear with me. I'm not signed in at the moment, but what you do is you get a fee reimbursement of 70% in Biswap tokens, and 10% is credited to your Robo Boost or Squid Energy. It's another something else to talk about in regards to Biswap. They're always developing and always putting good use case in order to their platform. But this is the one platform that I use to trade exchange crypto in DeFi. And what you can do is if you've got the native token Biswap, you can click here. So you can go to earn, you can click farms, and you can see here if you pair two tokens together, okay, you can then earn a decent amount, USDT with the native token, you're going to get 60%. Also, you have to remember you need to account for impermanent loss um, with that. Also, another good one at the moment, which is um, also down, BNB's down as well. But, with these big blockchains, they move up and down kind of together depending on what Bitcoin is doing. So if you look here, you can get Sol and BNB, which will then earn you 20% a year, and you get paid in the Binance, the Biswap token. You got ETH and BNB here with 9%. So there's quite a few here in regards to the farms. Then we've got fixed staking. So even this amount for wrapped BNB. So that's BNB as usual, but this is you just wrap it basically, which you can exchange here. So you can exchange BNB for wrapped BNB quite easily. Yep. And that's one method that we can use. And as you can see here, um, you've got different periods. So for 90 days, well, this one's not active. So let's have a look. Not active, not active. Um, so these are the inactive. I believe these ones are all active. Okay, but you can go here and see you can earn 10% over 90 days. ADA, you've got DOT here as well. So that's fixed staking. They've also got to stake Biswap in launch pools. Um, so you can auto compound so if you put two pairs together, you earn the Biswap token. You can then take that free token that you've earned from staking, say BNB and Solana, take the Biswap that you've earned, put it in the auto um, compounder here for 35% a year. You're earning free crypto, passive crypto. Um, regardless of whether the market is going down, and it will do, but at least you're still earning that way. Next method we can use is you can go over to PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is the largest DEX on the Binance chain, and it's got millions going through it every day. This is also a very good platform. Their native token is down at the moment. It's at $4. It's a very, very good buy at the moment. And they've also changed their tokenomics as well. I will do another video covering the tokenomics of PancakeSwap because they've reduced the supply, so that could potentially lead to an increase in price when the market does flip. Okay, but with this one we can go here. So again, you can go to earn, you go to farms. We'll have a look at the live farms, and you can put cake and BNB together, which is going to get you 30%. This is a bit more stable, cake and BUSD, which is the Binance US dollar for 12%. And then you've got other ones here that are a bit more high risk, as they are um, either new tokens or to do with lesser tokens for different platforms and so forth. But you got BNB and Biswap here for 22%, so that's quite good. So this is another platform where you can put two pairs together. So if we put together BUSD, BNB, there is videos that show you how to add liquidity to a pool, and this is what you're going to be doing here. So you connect your wallet, you add the liquidity, and then you'll earn from BUSD and BNB, you'll earn the cake token. Again, what you can then do is take that cake token, go over to um, this pool here, which is the stake cake and earn cake. Okay, it's 4% at the moment, but they've got locked staking here, and their locked staking periods are a week, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 25 weeks, and a year. And it goes to show you the percentages of what you can. So if you put $1,000 in for a week, you're gonna earn $1. For 2 weeks, 5 weeks, you're gonna earn $12. 10 weeks, $41. 25 weeks is $220. So don't just look at the value of what you're going to earn. You have to remember, look at the amount of cake you're going to earn, because at one point cake went up to I think it was about $40. So when the market does turn around, if this potentially goes back up to $40, you got to look at you've just earned 50 for half a year for 25 weeks of staking. You've earned 56 cake tokens for free. Yeah, you with me? And then you leave it for a year, you've earned 231 cake tokens for a year. And you can keep those cake tokens, keep earning, put it back in the pool, stake more cake, and just keep the cycle repeating. Or what you can do is leave your initial $1,000 worth of cake in this pool, take the free cake that you've earned for staking over the year, and then you can put it into one of these pools. For example, if you like this project, which is Chiroma, this is another one's called Anchor, you could stake your cake here and earn their native token. So say if we've got $500 worth of cake, no, we had more than that, didn't we? Let's say $900 worth of cake over a year. You're gonna auto compound it every week. You're gonna earn 80 of the char tokens. Remember that token's also down, so you've now earned that token for free with free tokens. So you've earned more free tokens with another set of free tokens, and you just keep the cycle repeating. Keep it repeating. It's quite. I'd say this strategy is low risk. There is still risk involved, um, but this is low risk, and the only value you're really gonna lose here is if the price of the token that you've staked, which is the cake token, drops significantly. Another way that we can earn crypto, another platform that I use and recommend is Beefy Finance. The TVL is down at the moment at 387, but it was over a billion at one point. Just you know, due to the um, price of everything has gone down, but there's a lot of money locked up in this platform. There's 700 vaults. So what you can do, they've got all the different chains here. So you've got Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, and you can go between all the different ones. But we'll focus on Binance for now. So let's turn these ones off. See, very simple. Connect your wallet. Have a read of this of Beefy Finance, I reckon. Have a look at the documentation, see how you feel about it. But I definitely recommend um, using their platform if you want to stake some crypto and let it auto compound for you. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I just wanted to give you a few tips on how to keep the money flowing while the market is down. So what we can do here, you've got your blue chips, and as you can see with Ethereum, you've got a pool here from 1.3% a year. It's not great for crypto, but it's still a decent amount. Then you can also pair some tokens together. So you've got ETH and BNB at 5%. Um, so let's look at the popular ones. Let's change the TVL. So the TVL here um, is, some of them are quite low, but they're still a decent earning. It's still really, really good earning. We'll go to the stable coins and see what we can get from stable coins. USDD is that the Tron um, dollar. So they've got a risk score here, so you can see the safety score is 6.7. There's 6.8 million locked into this one, but the TVL was 17% a year, and then you've got how much you're going to earn on a daily basis. You've got this one, which is attached to Belt Finance, earns you 3.5 a year. So even BUSD on Stargate is 4.5 per year. It's got a 100% safety record. So that's a good pool to go in. Um, so let's look at the LP one. So this is stable coins. Let's have a look at some other ones. Okay. So if we go to clear all filters, LPs, TVL. So here you've got different ones. So you've got the USDC, USDT on curve is 5.79%. So see what I'm saying here? You can put all these in, you go in, it gives you very detailed information of what each vault is about, what occurs. They've got some insurance here, which is good, and it shows you how to add the liquidity and what the performance fee is. Okay, but this is Beefy Finance is very good as well. Another option you can use for trading crypto is get involved in Pionex, which is the exchange with the leading crypto trading bots. They've got lots of bots on there. You've got a trailing buy bot, a trailing stop bot. You've also got a grid leverage bot, a spot futures arbitrage bot, which trades the difference between crypto prices. Some of these are about $1,000 minimum investment, so just be wary of that. And they do give decent returns over the year. If you look at this one here, is offering, well, past performance doesn't replicate future earnings, but their past performance over the last 180 days is about 9%. It's quite stable. You see, it's a decent, very, very good amount. You've go to BNB and it gives you the figures again here. You got about 8% for the year. The last 7 days has been about 6%. So it's still very good earnings. I will do a more detailed video into Pinex in time, but I don't want to make the video too long, guys. I just wanted to show you some simple methods of the different platforms that I use and that you can use to earn crypto while the market is down with minimal risk as possible. So there you go, guys. I'm going to wrap it up for today. And I will cover some of these in more detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you do have any comments or any questions, just hit the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks very much for watching.